Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So if you remember, I had made these concrete pots out of that ice cream container sometime back, and they came out really well, and I was very satisfied with the shape, the size, the thickness of the pot, and also the depth of the pot. Yes, the upper edges do get chipped while taking out the inner container, but that's absolutely okay. We can always sand it out and smoothen the edges. So I already have made a couple of arrangements, as you can see, and they look absolutely beautiful. This one was the first one that I started off with, which has my Florence Lowy in it with one Crassula and a Sedaveria. I've used only 3 succulents in this because I didn't want to make it very congested, but as you can see, it looks beautiful. And over here I have another arrangement. Again, in this I put around 4 of them. I colored this pot as well, but I'm not a very big fan. I think the raw look of the concrete gives a much beautiful appearance to the succulent, so I won't be coloring them anymore. So this was the second arrangement that I had made, and this is the latest one. You can see the succulents are not quite settled yet. On this one I just put golden edging. That's about it. Rest I left it as it is, and I think this looks a little bit more better. But again, as I said, I'm more of a fan of this raw look. It looks even more beautiful when it is completely raw. As you can see, this one, this has only my sedum Adolphi, a little bit of splatter because of the rain. I had kept it at the edge, so the soils, there was a little bit of soil splatter on the edge, but we'll clean it off later on. This was another haworthia arrangement that I made. This is not limifolia, this is another variety. I'll have to check for the name, and I'm going to put it up on the screen. So even this one is very well settled, and you can see the amount of pups that are showing up. So that is really amazing. So this was the latest one. As I said, the succulents are still yet to settle in this pot. They're not completely settled, but they look absolutely beautiful. The golden edging is also giving a very beautiful look to this planter, so I'm quite happy with all of these planters, and I think I will be making more. I hope the plastic mold does not get destroyed while making pots, because I have been making pots back to back. I still have 2 more that are curing, but I think I'm in total love with these containers. They're looking absolutely beautiful. They're giving a very beautiful look to the succulent in a raw form, so I don't think I will be coloring them anytime soon. I'm just going to leave them like this. Even the square pots, the round pots also look beautiful, but I feel that these pots are giving a very unique and different look to my succulents. So I think most probably I'll make a few more of these, and I will grow some more succulents in that. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.